Got some deliveries, and this time it is from Soon's Kitchen. Soon's Kitchen offers dishes mastered by Chef Harvy in his culinary experience in Dubai. And they have this latest addition, the Mango Avocado Cream Mousse. So yes, mango and avocado in one. Murag mas na-excite na yun ko ani kaysa sa uban. And they offer this Nachos Overload and this Hong Kong-inspired meat buns that comes with a very special soy sauce. Let's check. Oh no, this is I think the avocado sour cream cheese. And it might be this. I know this is the chili con carne. And yes, this might be the special soy sauce. And now let's put the chili con carne on the tacos plus the sour cream and guacamole and cheese toppings. So what I really like is like gilahi nila ang toppings or ang sauce to make it sure nga ma-maintain ang crispiness sa ato ang tacos. You can have this pan-fried meat buns for only 288 pesos, box of 6, or 576 for a box of 12. This Nachos Overload for 265 pesos. This small mango avocado ice cream mousse for only 550 pesos. And we'll try this meat buns now. Butangan na to sa soy sauce kay mojo kunin siya ang lami kay specially made. And yes, I really like the soy sauce in the meat buns. And the meat itself is really tasty. Now let's have this Nachos Overload. Let me split it out para makuha yun ako ang tanan from the chili con carne, yun olives, and now the guacamole, sour cream, and cheese. So murag, perfect. Kining, I was planning just to have one lang usap, pero I can't stop myself nga to have another one. Kay, lamig yun siya. And let's have this mango avocado ice cream mousse. So yes, what could be better than mango and avocado in one? Then plus the cream. So perfect yung kaayo. Yes, so murag nothing can go wrong jud ani. And diba, anahon sa nato atog yung tilok ko gatog yung limpyohon. Kay excited kay ko. Ngaon na ta guys. So palit-ulit lang yun ko because I really like mango plus avocado plus the cream. Really perfect. I've tried this like as a cake. Lami siya, pero how much more kung ice cream cake. Mas perfect. Kanang murag ko ang best manilok. And to order, just message Soon's Kitchen in Facebook. And please drink plenty of water after eating. And don't forget to brush your teeth also. And to follow me in all my social media accounts. And please continue to stay safe, stay fit, and just keep smiling.